Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are actually going to learn how to check if a particular series has duplicate index values. So when you actually load a data from a certain data source, and we have actually not learned how to do that yet, but when you load a large number of data, the only attribute which you could use to basically manipulate data is nothing but the index of that particular data. So whenever you actually go ahead and create a series or data frame, you might have noticed that the index values are always unique. That is, no value is going to be a duplicate values in case of a particular index of a series or a data frame. But when you actually load a data from an external source, there might be some inconsistencies related to that. That is, you might have duplicate values in indexes. So in this lecture, we will learn how to identify if the index values are unique in a particular series. So this is going to be a relatively shorter lecture. So let's first go ahead and create a new series with a duplicate index value. So that's going to be series, and we are actually going to put some values over here. That's going to be, let's say, 100, 200 and 300. So these are just the values, and let's specify the index as let's say some alphabets. So that's going to be, let's say, A. Then the next one is going to be B, and let's say the third one is going to be B, so that we have duplicate index values over here. So if you simply print out this particular series, and if you run this code, as you could see, now you have duplicate index values. Now it is easier for us to identify duplicate values as there are actually only 3 entries in this particular data frame. But what happens when you have, like, let's say, thousands of entries? So in that case, identifying if the indexes is unique is actually quite different. So you do that by using the isUnique method. So what you simply need to do is that you need to type in your series name, give a dot, type an index, because you want to check the index values are unique. So you type dot is underscore unique for unique. So once you run this code, as you could see, you are going to get the result as false, and false actually means that you do not have unique values in your series. So in case if your series had unique index values, this thing would have returned us a true result. So this actually helps us in identifying if we have duplicate index values in our particular series. So that's it for this lecture, and I hope you guys were able to understand the significance why there should be actually unique index values in a particular series, and also you understood how to identify a unique index values in a huge series. So that's it for this lecture, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.